Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day. Today is finally the day. This morning, Chevrolet has officially revealed the pricing structure for the all-new Z06. I'm so excited about this. Let's go check it out. This is the pricing for the all-new C8 Corvette Z06. Now, for a starting price for the cheapest model that you can get, it starts at $106,395. You gotta realize that the performance for that price figure, I'll be honest, this is kind of what I was expecting. And you're still getting a crazy high performance car for that six-figure starting price. Anyways, let's break down the 1LZ, 2LZ, and 3LZ packages, plus the Z07, the carbon fiber wheels, you name it. Anyways, going straight to those interior options, the 1LZ starts at $106,395. Again, the convertible will be $113,895. Then if you want the 2LZ, it's going to jump roughly $9,000 to $115,595. Then for the convertible, again, an extra $7,000 on average versus the coupe to convertible, $7,000 difference. Lastly, 3LZ, the highest quality interior, $120,000. And then the convertible, again, add $7,000 to that, and then you're at almost $130,000. Anyways, to the notable options, which we will get, that being the Z07 Performance Package, that's going to be $8,995, which includes the FE7 Performance Suspension, the Brembo Carbon Ceramic Brakes, the Cup 2R tires, the underbody aero, and visible carbon fiber components from what it looks like. Altogether, for $9,000, getting a set of Brembo carbon ceramic brakes and Cup 2Rs, which on average cost almost double the price of standard Cup 2s, that's a steal. That's an unbelievable deal, and that is much less than I thought it was going to cost. Anyways, moving down from that, if you want visible carbon fiber for the front splitter, the rockers, the dive planes, and the spoiler, that is going to be about $10,495. If you just want carbon flash, it's actually not that much less because the components are still carbon fiber. You're just paying more money for the visible. That being for the painted carbon flash, carbon fiber components that we spoke about just now, it will be $8,495, just $2,000 less than all those same components being exposed carbon fiber. Again, the actual material is the same, you're paying more for the finish, if that makes any sense. Lastly, for the carbon fiber wheels, which are a must in my opinion, this is actually much cheaper again than what I thought. These are, in my opinion, I think the widest carbon fiber wheels you can buy on the market, and they cost astronomically less money than the carbon wheels on Ferraris. That being, it's only $11,995 for the visible carbon finish and just $2,000 less for the painted carbon fiber finish. You might as well go all out and get the visible carbon fiber for sure. With everything this car offers, the Z06 remains more attainable than the R8, the 911 GT3, the Huracan Evo, even the F8 Tributo Ferrari, which costs over $200,000, right? Well, the Porsche GT3 is roughly $170,000. And then lastly, the 720S, that is a $300,000 supercar, essentially, right? I cannot wait to get this vehicle. Please let me know, what do you think of all these package options we've gone over? And then for destination, that's going to be about $1,400 for the delivery fee. Well, what do you think? Please let me know in the comment section down below. Is it as expensive as you thought it was going to be? Or is it cheaper than what you thought it was going to be? I'd love to hear what all of you have to say in the comment section down below. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it because if you consider the pricing for what you're getting, value in terms of performance,
It's pretty impressive. You have 670 horsepower, flat plane crank, all naturally aspirated V8, screaming almost like a Lamborghini or a Ferrari. That's impressive, especially for an American performance car, a mid-engine, exotic American performance car. Can you call it that? In my opinion, I think you can. Is it worth the price? That is the question. Is that too much money, or is that right about what we expected? You got to consider carbon wheels are sure to cost a lot of money. Same with all the carbon fiber aesthetic pieces for like the interior, because those materials have a track record of costing that much. It's the interesting structure of things where you go from 1LT, 2LT, 3LT. I think that's where you see like the biggest price jumps in terms of interior quality. Then like the performance, that's when it goes like, okay, that's a big jump, and then whoa, that's a big jump. Come on. Carbon wheels on a Ferrari are like $30,000. On my GT500, they were $20,000. That makes sense. And you're getting gloss exposed carbon fiber. I think if you were to get this car, you gotta max it out. I know it's gonna make it into the six figures, for sure. But the rare, limited factor of the vehicle is definitely, it's going to hold its value in my honest opinion, and it's just going to finish off the excitement. You don't want to buy this car and tell yourself, oh, I wish I got that upgrade or that feature. You just want to make sure you do it right. It's already so hard getting these allocations. Don't spec it out, whereas you'll be left with the feeling or impression that you could have gone that extra step further, if you know what I mean. Come on, compare this price against a brand new Lamborghini or a brand new Ferrari. Ferraris are especially expensive. Even the new McLaren Artura costs $240,000. And that gives you 671 horsepower. However, it's got a carbon fiber tub and tons of racing features that make McLaren next level in terms of track vehicles. However, it doesn't give you a flat plane crank, naturally aspirated V8 at, starting less than half the cost. That's a big deal. I cannot wait. And stay tuned for a ton of awesome videos going over what it's like buying this brand new Corvette Z06 with the Z07 performance package and all the extra goodies. I'm going to make a follow-up video going over what our final spec is going to be that we're going to plug in to the dealership. And then from there, it's off to the waiting game of hearing back from Chevrolet regarding our order number, and then when we get sequenced for production with the VIN, and then how it goes down the assembly line. Maybe we can get some really cool behind the scenes video. I don't know. Stay tuned for that one. Then lastly, it'll be delivery by the end of this year, I'm pretty sure. And then off to the racetrack. Is it going to compete against my McLaren? Is it going to compete against tons of the top tier exotic track cars? We're going to test that out and put down lap times. Laguna Seca, Big Willow, Chuckwalla, you name it, especially Coda and VIR. Those are on my list. Coda is my favorite, and Chevrolet also did testing at Coda, Circuit of the Americas in Texas, which was really cool to see the photos and the videos with the teasers back in the day, when that was like a year ago, right? The Z06 was teased and basically revealed about a year ago, and finally it's coming out. Let me know the price of your spec. I'd love to hear that. I'll be really into the comment section on this video, so please let me know. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button, it really does help me out, and subscribe for much more great content coming out your way. Stay tuned, and I'll see all of you in the next episode.